That's a six. That's a big six.
Oh, goodness me. He's smoked that.
Oh, he's hit this one, Miles. Great shot. Oh, it's a biggie. Straight over the top. The little man has hit the big fella for six. He's off his size. And he's smashed him down the ground. What a player. What a wonderful player. Oh, this is high. What a six. What a six. Way down the ground. It's on the roof.
ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಹೆವಿ ಉಂಟು ಐಕ್ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್
on round the wicket, 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 on round the wicket.
Oh, that's gone straight up in the air. Wall won't drop. There's no way in the world. He's dropped it. I can't believe it. What is going on? Ford will shoot himself. Oh, he's hit that beautifully. That's all the way for six. Oh, what a magnificent shot. Boy, that's changed things. That was right out of the middle of the bat and it's gone sailing into the crowd.
He's on strike. Oh, heaved into the leg side.
Now over long off. Push the boundary to Chittagong at one end and Cox's Bazaar at the other. Boundary. There he goes! That's the biggest of them all. That is in orbit. This is like the movies where someone just creates a character to change the script. He's connected this one and it is somewhere in the stands. Just keep a whole box full of balls by the umpire because you're going to need all of those. 47 from 16. This is carnage here. Up in the air. Who's going to claim it? It's gone to short cover. He drops it.
So itte Rakshit Merna 50th ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಡು ಜಸ್ಟ್ 9 ಓವರ್ 5 ರನ್ ಮಲ್ದೇರು ಸೊ ತುಕ
Oh dear, don't worry young ladies, it's 40 from 22 here, it's not done yet.
So on a young man. It's a big call. 3 off. He's got it! It's huge! It's gone! It's out of the park! Boom! 7 from 4 now! Guptill says yes at midfield! More pressure! It's getting to everybody! This is the moment. It's Archer to Guptill. 2 to win. Guptill's going to push for 2. They've got to go! It's got...
Chips in, takes it. That is a blinder from Nathan Lyon. And again, it's another game changer for us. A partnership building, and it's taken his best. Oh, goodness me. He smoked that. Right onto the embankment. Fantastic shot for... Oh, my word. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? 100 up, 105 of 70 balls. Just 2 runs left to get now. This is in the slot, and he just dispatches it out the park. Oh, he's knocked him over. What a rip. Oh, he's knocked him over. What a ripper. What a good piece of bowling. 151.1. A wicket maiden. Superb fast bowling. Game! It's all over. The end returns to...
It's close. That's horribly close. Oh, Paul Rifle. What? Mr. Powell, you a lucky man. Mr. Rifle, you a clever man. Oh, yes! It doesn't matter. Forget the LBW. Just knock the stumps out of the ground, will you?
That's a six. That's a big six.
ಸೊ ಇತ್ತೆ ಬಾಲ್ ತಾಕಿದ್ದು ಪೋಯಿನ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಥಗಿತ ಆತಂಡು ಸೊ ಒಂದೈತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಡ್ರೆ ರಕ್ಷಿತ ಏರುಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತುಕ ಎಂಚಾಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬೀಚ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್
ಸೂಪರ್ ಉಂಟು
ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದು ಒಂಜಿ ಬಾಲ್ ಹಾಕಿಯರು ಸೀದಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೈನ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಮಿತ್ತದ ಅಂಚಾದ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಒಂಚಿ ಪೋಂಡ ಅಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ಜಿ ಎಂಚಾಂಡಿ ಇರಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್
ಸೂಪರ್
ಮೊಕ್ಕಲು ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದು PUC ಮುಗಿ 20 ದಿನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಾಕುಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೊಕ್ಲೇನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೀಟ್ ಅದು ಅಂಚೇನಂತ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಲಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೀಚ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಲಾಗ ಕುಡ್ಲದ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಇತ್ತ ಮುಲ್ಪ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತ ನಮ್ಮವೇ ಕೊತ್ತಲಿಂಗೆ ಪಂಡ್ಪತಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊತ್ತಲಿಂಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಕಲೆ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊತ್ತಲಿಂಗೆನೆ ಮುಲ್ಪ ತೂವಲಿ ನಿಕುಲು ಬಕ್ಕ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ದ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಅದು ಆ ಥರ್ಮಾಕೋಲ್ ಉಂದಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾಲ್ ತಕ್ಕದು ಪೋಯಿನ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮುಗಿಪದ ಸೊ ಮೊಕಲ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಗೊಬ್ಬದು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೊಕಲ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಫ್ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಶಸ್ ಪನೊಂದು ನಿನಿತ ಈ ವ್ಲಾಗನು ಮುಲ್ಪಗೆ ಮುಗಿಪ ಒಂದು ಪನೊಂದು ಕೊಡೊಂಜಿ ಹೊಸ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ನಿಕ್ಲೇನ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಪೆ ಪನೊಂದು ಟಾಟಾ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಕ್ವೆ ಓಕೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ Tannirubavi ಬೀಚ್